FM. It's the most anticipated talk show about everything everyone thinks about but is afraid to say out loud. Never leave a dog and a bird alone, honey. You never know what will happen.
Ooh, you never know.
They said...
What?
They never know. You never know what will happen. And tomorrow morning, you never know what will happen. But I do believe we are going to be talking about something that you are going to have to be looking over your shoulder for, because we have something that we want to be talking about. So that is all I'm going to say. I don't want to spill the beans, because there's some things that we want to get off our chest. Anyway, please do tune in tomorrow morning for the Dog and the Bird Out with my partner in crime, Phil Kranz. He is going to be joining me in just a bit. Here in just a moment, he's got some stuff to take care of first, because, of course, work is first. We do need to pay the bills and eat and have lights on in the homestead. Hope everybody's doing good tonight, or the daytime, whatever time it is on your spot of the planet, wherever you are. This is the SongBird's FLOCKSHOW special, mixtape edition. As we are counting it down, we have 6 more weeks till the Josies Music Awards. And if you have been living under a rock and sucking on it for nutrition, guys, look it up. Just Google it, or look it up on Facebook, or follow me, and you'll find out what the Josies Music Awards is, because it's absolutely amazeballs. Next up, I have some amazing sounds from 3 amazing, beautiful Canadian singers. They are just incredible. There's Tara, there's Dee Dee, and there's Jill. They're synthetica pop, and they can just do amazing things with their voices. Their new album, The Dark and the Light, has an edgy sound and a collection of amazeballs Canadian birds that I just mentioned. Their Facebook page, their gram, they're twittering it. They got World Wide Web, finding them on iTunes and Bandcamp, y'all. You have got to love it, because I do. Their song is called Good Girl, and this is Church of Trees. And I know that song wasn't written for me, but it was written for somebody. That's Good Girl right there with Church of Trees. And I am having a flocking good time. How about you guys? This is the SongBird's FLOCKSHOW special mixtape edition. And I'm glad you guys are here to join it with me. Right now we have a nom nom himself, Mr. Jimmy Parker, with his brand new single that just hatched. It is called Some Things.
Unless my eyes are deceiving me, it looks like you're leaving me. And heaven knows I hope like hell I'm wrong. I could be mistaken, but my heart feels like it's breaking, girl. But I won't know for sure until you're gone. You grabbed your things, you packed your bags, you turned away and you're walking out the door. Oh baby, please don't tell me you don't love me anymore. Some things are better left unspoken. Some things are better left unbroken. Some things are better left alone. Some things can cut you to the bone. Some things are better not to say. Some things just get in the way. Some things are better left unspoken. Some things are better left unbroken. She turned away and she just walked out the door. My baby, she just told me she don't love me anymore. Some things are better left unspoken. Some things are better left unbroken. Some things are better left alone. Some things can cut you to the bone. Some things are better not to say. Some things just get in the way. Some things are better left unspoken. Some things are better left unbroken. Unless my eyes are deceiving me, it looks like you're leaving me. And heaven knows I hope like hell I'm wrong.
Oh my God, I love it, I love it, I love it. And I love Jimmy Parker. And oh my God, I hope I get to see him. I don't think he's going to be there, but oh my God, I hope I get to see him because he's amazeballs. You know what? That was classic. And Jimmy Parker, that one is for the books. So that one is definitely going to win some type of award sometime very, very, very soon. If not, that thing is definitely going to get some type of a Flockstar award because I'm writing that down. Look, can you hear my paper? I'm writing that down. Remember the song Some Things Are Better Left Unsaid by Hall & Oates? that is what was going through mine as I was listening to that song. Not that it was any better than yours, trust me, but just the sound. Just, that was amazeballs. Jimmy Parker, guys. Hands on, absolutely flocktabulous. Thank you so much. Don't you love music? I swear. I mean, like, supporting indies is just like wearing underwear, y'all. Because your mama told you to always pick the one that feels the best and keep it clean. You know, you don't need all these F-bombs everywhere because then you can't understand it, right? And then, you know, never leave home without it.
Hey there people, I'm Bobby Brown. Toujours le plus cool des petites towns. La bagnole rapide, bien à l'affiche. Donc toutes les filles peuvent embrasser mes miches. Je suis dans une école chic, bien fort en tout et plein de tics. Les pom-pom girls sont très belles, elles veulent toujours m'aider. Oh, laissez-moi les violer, je suis pas pédé. Mon Dieu, c'est la vision américaine. Dans ce que je fais, je suis la reine. Je suis comme je suis. Je serais déjà mort, le super fort. Trop bon, trop bon, trop bon, trop bon, trop bon. Libération des femmes envahit la nation des dames. Mais je vous le dis, je ne suis pas prête. Et je baisse sans cesse la vie de Fred. Elle m'a fait un palabre sans avoir des idées macabres. Et j'amonce dans ses mains les valseuses en fuite. Mais ça ira trop vite, toujours trop vite, trop vite. Mon Dieu, c'est la vision américaine. Oui, mais je sens la vaseline. Je suis une putain, oh, c'est le drame. Est-ce un garçon bien seul, peut-être une dame? Wonder, wonder, wonder. Je me suis acheté un costume mignon pour me changer rapidement caméléon. J'ai un boulot de promotion. Pour être honnête, je suis une pédale en tentation. Pour le dire entre amis, de l'issue de la dérivée du SCA. Avec le beau-frère, j'avais une heure de jouissance, une bouche d'oreille pleine de puissance. Oh mon Dieu, c'est la vision américaine. Et les taux dans les fesses à l'avant-scène. Pour avancer, tout libre et sans jeu. Les nuits éveillées, je dis thank you Fred. Mais oui, je suis fantastique. Grâce à Fred, un vrai sexuel spastique. Tout le monde est Bobby Brown. Laisse-moi, I'm going down. Tout le monde est Bobby Brown. Laisse-moi, I'm going down. Tout le monde est Bobby Brown. Laisse-moi, I'm going down. Tout le monde est Bobby Brown. Laisse-moi, oh God, quelle surprise.
That is so awesome. And if you have never listened to Frank Zappa, because he's like the king of like, oh my God, like I'm saying, gross out, gag me with a spoon. No, wait, that was Moon Unit. Anyway, he was like there. He made the babies that made that happen because I had the Valley Girl book. I was a Valley Girl, okay? Like, don't even go there with me because that was like the coolest thing ever, okay? But anyway, that is No Say. Cecile Nordegg, she did the cover of Frank Zappa's Bobby Brown. Now, if you had no idea what that was French. And thank goodness that my French is still on point because I knew exactly what she was talking about. But listen to this. No Say is the name of her band, if you want to call it. But listen, the band consists of Andreas, Walter, JP, Lenny, and Cecile. Now listen, I love this because No Say is N-O, and then it's the hyphen, and then C-E. In French, it means wedding, joy, or festivities, okay? But if you look at her name, her last name, Nordegg, starts with an N-O. So there's the first part of her band, N-O. And then, of course, her first name starts with C-E. And so the second part of the band, I just think that's so cool. So, you know, write it out if you don't know what I'm talking about.